Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how you can able to convert a webcam to a night vision camera. In my last videos, if you check, you can see that I have already converted a webcam to a microscope by just changing the lens. So in this video again I will just change the lens of that microscope and convert it into a night vision camera. But the most important thing to make a night vision camera from webcam is to replace the infrared filter. The infrared filter must be removed and it will be converted to a night vision camera. So it is a USB type, so that you can able to connect it with your mobile, and you can set your mobile in your VR box to make a total night vision binocular. So let's start the project. Hi friends, all of you have seen my digital microscope. So now I will convert this digital microscope into night vision camera. The basic thing is nothing but you just have to change the lens, and you have to remove the IR filter if any. So I am just removing the lens and I am replacing it with a wide angle lens. But remember, you have to just remove the IR filter, because without IR filter night vision will not work. Most of the webcam consist of IR filter, and for that reason it will not work as normal CCTV night vision camera. So to work it as night vision camera, you have to replace the IR filter. So I am using this unit to generate IR infrared. So you can see in normal mode you will see all the colors and there is no issues. As soon as you will switch on to the infrared mode, everything will go black and white. So let's switch off the light and see what happens. So you can see friend, the infrared is activated. So you can check that it is working fine without any issues. So you can install the total equipment inside a box, or you can use a VR box in which the mobile can be installed, and it must be connected with this type of camera, USB type camera, and you can easily make this type of night vision setup at 400 to 500 rupees only. So you can see the total system is working fine without any issues. There is no issues. You can see it here. That is my clock that I have made few years ago, but most of the thing will give a black and white vision. So I am just checking it. Always try to use a better quality infrared module to get a good visualizations. So you can see in normal condition it is showing colorful, and as soon as you will switch off the light, the infrared mode will activate and a black and white vision will come. So friend, I think all of you have liked this type of videos. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. In my next video, I will try to make a compact version of this night vision camera so that it can be made portable.